Your 3-minute question and answer period for the TD Entrepreneurship Challenge will now begin. Do you have plans to scale your project? Why and how?
We do have plans to scale the project. We want to look into things that are not just bricks and insulation. We definitely want to be a full-fledged sustainable building material supplier. So our plan is to scale in that front. And then obviously in the end, once we do have a surplus of profit, we really do want to help vulnerable communities and rebuild homes for them. Next question.
How do you define success for this project?
We don't want to just provide sustainable materials to companies. We want to change the entire construction industry's mindset when it comes to where they source their materials. Thus, this way we can kind of solve a problem that's forcing people out of their homes while simultaneously providing those people with housing. So our end-term goal would be to have multiple partners and help a large percentage of climate migrants.
What was the biggest challenge? What was the biggest challenge you faced when implementing this project, and how did you overcome it?
The biggest challenge that we faced was definitely focusing on how to enter the problems that we wanted to address and finding that entrance gateway. We were able to centralize our enterprise through our developmental workshops, which then helped us define what we were planning to do with EcoHomes and how we were going to tackle both of our environmental and social problems. Next question.
How do you market your project to your target audience?
The way that we market EcoHomes is we really want to show them that we can be a building material supplier that is outside the norm. So we're not going to create more waste. If anything, we're going to help the waste decline in the construction industry. So the way that we market it is that we are just a more sustainable and environmentally friendly product.
Which area of your project do you see as the most innovative and why?
We believe that the most innovative aspect of our project is the fact that we're able to extend the plastic life cycle by reusing it in our materials. And we're also innovating a construction industry that usually relies on very traditional materials that contribute a lot of waste. So our venture is able to set a new norm in that industry while extending the life cycle of plastic. Next question.
Can you clarify what you achieved just this year versus previous year?
The previous year, EcoHomes was very much at an ideation phase, so it came from our problem pitch. And then this year, we were able to take it through our Enactathon, which is a hackathon, and they were able to come up with the solution, which is now EcoHomes. And then through there, we took it through a 4-week developmental program where we really fleshed out the idea, made sure we had an innovative solution, and we had a very
Your time has now expired. Thank you.